Most service business owners are losing time and money every single day by using the wrong tools. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in 2026, the difference between a struggling business and a scalable one is not effort, it's systems. In this video, you'll learn the best apps for service businesses in 2026, how they actually help you get more customers, stay organized, and save hours every week. Let's jump straight in. First, you need a booking and scheduling system. This is non-negotiable. Tools like Calendly or Square Appointments allow customers to book services without calling you. Someone like Jake, who runs a small cleaning business, can literally wake up to a fully booked schedule without answering a single message. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most businesses still rely on phone calls and WhatsApp messages. That creates delays, missed leads, and lost money. Second, you need a CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. Apps like HubSpot or Zoho Carm help you track every lead, follow-up, and customer interaction. For example, Alex, a handyman, can see exactly which clients he hasn't followed up with yet, so no lead gets forgotten. But here's the problem most beginners face. They think memory is enough. It's not. Leads slip through the cracks, and that's silent income loss. Third is communication automation. Apps like WhatsApp Business or AI chat tools help you reply instantly to customer inquiries. In service businesses, speed wins. If you reply first, you often get the job. Fourth is invoicing and payments. Tools like Stripe, PayPal, or Wave make it easy to send professional invoices and get paid faster. No more awkward payment follow-ups or confusion. Now here's where it gets powerful. When your systems handle bookings, communication, and payments, your business stops depending on you being constantly available. Fifth is marketing tools. Google Business Profile and Canva are two of the most important apps for visibility. Canva helps you create simple posts, while Google Business Profile helps you show up when people search for your service nearby. And here's something most people don't realize. You don't need 20 apps. You need a simple stack that covers leads, bookings, communication, and payments. Now here's the truth no one tells you. Apps don't grow your business by themselves. They only amplify a system that already works. If your offer is weak, no app will fix it. But if your offer is strong, these tools can multiply your results. The goal is simple: less chaos, more automation, and faster customer response. If you set this up properly, your service business starts running smoother, getting more leads, and wasting less time. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what business you're building, and subscribe for more practical tools and strategies like this.